Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to leave a review on Indeed. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from your store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to leave a review, you need to go to your profile first. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you're in your profile settings page, you can see the three lines icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Here you will find the My Reviews section. Tap on it. It will take you to your reviews page. If you have given any reviews before, it will appear over here. Now, in order to add a new review, here you can see the Write a Review option. Tap on it. It has anonymously selected the company over here, and this is the review descriptions. If you want to give review for a different company, then here you can see choose a different company option. Tap on it. Now write the name of the company over here and tap it continue, and there you go. Now I can leave a review for this company. So you can change it to your preferred company and leave a review for it. So you can go through all of these questions. You can choose according to your experience and everything. And once you're done with your review, you can tap on this continue button and you can submit your review. So that's it. That's how we can leave a review on Indeed app. It's a very simple and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.